Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dawood and you can see Dawood Tech Adventure. So in this video I can tell about that a new YouTuber can do a mistake, big mistakes. And in this video I can discuss completely and I hope discuss completely in this video about this mistake. If you are a new YouTuber then see my video completely, let my channel subscribe and like my video and then comment if any questions. So let's start this video. First of all, you can see YouTube platform, Facebook platform, Instagram platform, TikTok. You can see this platform promotes short videos rather than long videos. I can advise you that if you are a new YouTuber, then do not make the longer videos, because longer videos take much more time to be viral, but short videos cannot take a time to be viral. If your one short videos can be viral, then your subscriber complete in 3 to 5 days. My one channel is that I can make a short on this channel. In this channel I can complete my subscriber in only 5 days. If your videos viral, short videos viral in first day, then your subscriber complete in first day. So I can advise you that you can make short video first of all, then rather than long videos. Okay, let's go the screen, then I can tell you that how to upload a short video on the YouTube platform. So this is my mobile screen, so I can see about shorts. Okay, so this is short videos. This is short videos. Okay, I can see that this video contain 646k views. This can see, you can see 180 131 million views, and the next is 344k views, 18 million views, 276 views, 1.8 million views, 26 million views. Every short videos contain 26 million views. So I can tell you that how to upload short videos in the YouTube. So you can see a button in the YouTube. I can, this is button, okay, plus button. Okay, you can click this plus button and create a short. Okay, you can create a short from YouTube platform directly or upload a short videos. You can make a short videos from your mobile and then upload a video. This option, okay, this option can take if your mobile contain a video, short videos. Okay, if you have no short videos, then you can create, you can. So yes, and next, okay, next and caption your title, your shorts, then upload shorts. Okay, this is first trick. If your mobile also click on the plus upload a video, then one video is in my mobile. This is that. Okay, this is a channel. Okay, this is the icon. Next, the button and title your shorts. I can I can write marriage of Danish Tamur. Okay, and then upload short. Okay, and then this can, you can see that your videos and the marriage of Danish Shamur is uploading in my YouTube channel. So if you like my YouTube, then subscribe my YouTube channel, like my YouTube videos also, and then comment if you have any question. Thank you very much.